Hey guys, so it's end of our real day one. Hopefully you can hear me here with the machine running, but me and one of the guys made it over here on Thursday last week, as you guys saw in our first kind of intro to this job. So me and 3 of the guys have been here for most of the day. One of the guys went home sick. Tomorrow there's just gonna be a couple of us for the morning, and then the 5 of us for the rest of the day, and all 5 of us on Thursday. So hopefully should be able to make some good progress, but really trying to do an every other day update here. So we missed yesterday. Today is Tuesday. We missed yesterday to some pretty heavy rain. So not as far as I would have hoped this week, but doing pretty good so far. So have Nate moving some material right now. We are stockpiling all of our material that we are excavating, as you can see right here next to the excavator. So what's gonna happen, if I didn't mention this already, is all that material is actually gonna be going down back here. So we have a company coming in tomorrow with a like a mower head on their excavator to mow down all this just overgrowth. We're gonna take these lattice things out, and all of our excavated material is going down in here. We're gonna fill in, level things off a little bit. So let me take you, show you over here what we're able to get done today. So we were able to get started on our excavation. So did some of our tough digging here around the edge. Pulled our diving stone out here because we're going to be resetting that. So we pulled that out so we could dig out. Guys are working on pulling some of the material out right now, as you can see from that small pile over there. And then we're going to start basing in here, getting our compaction going. Over on this side, we got our fire pit patio all excavated, got our fire pit shell installed, and got 100% based in, so we are ready for chipstone and pavers. Hoping to get screeded and getting going on that tomorrow, but if not, get that in pretty good shape on Thursday. Got some of our pavers staged over here, got a few pallets, just as our access is getting a little closed off. So we got our first delivery today. I think there's maybe 10 pallets or so of pavers, got our fire pit, and then our pallets of coping. So gonna get going on coping tomorrow. Hopefully have a pretty good day with coping. Get some more base done, like I said, screeding once we get all the guys here. So not a super crazy day, not a ton to show you guys, but just want to give you a quick little update. I'm gonna put together a little quick time-lapse video to show you just now of us installing this fire pit unit. Saves us a ton of time from building one from scratch. So you can check that out now. And I'm gonna try to kind of do some things like that in these videos, try to show you a little bit more of what's actually happening during the day rather than just updates at the end of the day. So check that out, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys on Thursday.